Hi, lovies. So I'm at home with my sister-in-law. Don't mind the wig.
Anyways, guys. Hi. This is. Oh, wow. Anyways, it's my birthday on Sunday, and normally I don't like this. Like, seriously, check me out on Instagram, Cami2Cute. You'll see Cami2Cute. But anyways, I came to turn up with my sister-in-law for my birthday because she doesn't go anywhere. Can you guys tell? Look at her vlogs. Anyways, hopefully I can carry her out this weekend and we can turn up, and yep, you'll get that vlog too if she does make it out. We'll be vlogging in the dance. Bend over, bend over.
She is so crazy. But
You
yeah,
need to pee?
that's why it's called my boring life.
You go.
Because my life is pretty boring. At least I think it is. Before I had kids, I was the life of the party, going out, all that other great stuff. But why is it so blurry? There we go. But I mean, doesn't that apply to all of us? And then when you're a parent, it's kind of like, okay, I just got to make sure that I stay at home, take care of my kids, blah, 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 blah. But it doesn't mean that you don't have to have a life. I mean, I do have a life. I just don't do as much as I used to. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the description box, or leave a comment down below, rather. And let me know what you think about being a parent and going out or not going out, staying home with your kids, finding babysitters, all that other great stuff. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi, my lovies. How y'all doing? Bye. We are going to the liquor store. Hi, Uncle.
I'm on the block. Oh,
Hi, Auntie.
I love the brown.
Hi, lovies. Those are my kids' aunt and uncle. We going to the liquor store. Hi. So again, yeah. Hi, Auntie. We go into the liquor store. Liquor store. Liquor store. We go into the liquor store. Liquor store to get drunk. We go into the liquor store.
And she's happy because she got home.
We go into the liquor store to get drunk. No, I'm joking, but not to get drunk, but we're gonna go to the liquor store. It's the weekend, you know. Everybody works so hard. We work hard for the money. So hard for the money. But we work hard for the money, so we better spend it right. So, how's everybody doing? I want to know what everybody is thinking of my vlogs. I want to see some comments. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below, down there, past the description box. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking of my vlogs, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. If you want to see more of anybody or less of anybody. Or my sister-in-law told me, not this one, but my other sister-in-law told me that my vlogs are boring whenever I go to my mom's house. But I mean, when you go to the old school Jamaican's house, you can't do nothing because nobody no want they on video light and them thing this, so I can't do nothing really. And when I'm home, that's when I can turn up. Well, I can turn up at my mom's, but my mom's old school Jamaican and she's not about the whole foolish, as she calls it. Me no want them on video with the foolish and your people them when on the inside of my house now. But nobody knows the outside, so why does it matter?
That's so funny.
Are any of your like parents, aunts, cousins, grannies, are any of them like that? Like, I think it's only not even just a Jamaican thing. I think it's a West Indian thing.
Hello?
What do you think? Let me know.
Guys,
Leave
I'm seeing the
a
story
comment
now.
again
What's up?
below.
I'm just chilling in
And
at Cream Puffs.
I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, by the way,
What's going on?
face on fleek. Face
What?
on fleek. No makeup. I got my face on fleek. I will, if you guys
Just
want,
tell
I
us
can do
more.
a video so that you know my
Hey,
daily
I don't even have my car. What's
regiment with regards to what I do to cleanse my
I'm
face
here with a
and
whole bunch of people.
all
I
that
can't
other
just leave,
stuff.
so I'm
Okay?
asking you to tell me what's going on.